none of those changes make the V Series stand out enough, there's always the optional carbon fiber accents. It's the same story inside. Apart from a handful of V Series badges on the steering wheel and illuminated sill plates, there's nothing that easily makes the cabin look like it's a performance model. However, there's a new head-up display that adds dual-plane augmented reality. Cadillac says the new LYRIQ V will enter production early this year, and it will start at $79,990 when it goes on sale sometime after that. In fact, not only is it the quickest LYRIQ in the lineup, but the company claims it's the quickest Cadillac ever. Of course, the jump in power means the EV SUV's estimated driving range takes a hit. The LYRIQ V has the same 102.0 kilowatt-hour battery as every other version, but its range estimate drops from 307 miles in the regular dual-motor model to 285 in the performance model. The V rides on a new suspension setup specifically calibrated for the LYRIQ. It has standard continuous damping control, which uses a valve-based system rather than the magnetic ride control found on other Cadillacs. The company says the suspension is tuned for comfort in daily driving rather than for speed. This is still a LYRIQ after all. The LYRIQ V has fairly subtle styling differences. The most obvious is the addition of the V Series logo on the rear doors and the tailgate. As with other V Series models, the LYRIQ gets a unique lower front fascia, body-colored lower trim, and a set of side rockers that help distinguish it from its lesser siblings. The rear-wheel drive setup features a single electric motor that's good for 340 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive models add a second front-mounted motor that raises the LYRIQ's combined output to 500 horses and 450 pound-feet. Following our first drive of the LYRIQ back in 2022, we said it had the comfort and grace without the neck-snapping acceleration some EV buyers may be longing for. The LYRIQ V aims to change that. The LYRIQ V features a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that pushes the powertrain's peak output to 615 horses and 650 pound-feet. The only way to unlock all the power is through a new Velocity Max mode. There's also a V-mode button on the steering wheel that allows quick access and customization of the steering feel, pedal response, and the sound pumped into the cabin. Caddy estimates the new amped-up model can race from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. For comparison, we tested a 500 par all-wheel LYRIQ that hit 60 miles per hour in 4.6 ticks, so the V is a serious improvement.